Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing fine. So today, as usual, I'm here to bring you another very lit video, as you can see down on the description, or rather on the title. Yes, so I'm in the kitchen. Sabina's kitchen. So welcome and welcome and welcome. We are going to be making Kenyan tea. Sema chai. In Kenya we call it chai. Kenyan tea is known to be one of the very best in the world, in case you didn't know. So with me here, I have various things that I'm going to be using. Okay, of course, the main thing I have tea leaves, and I have tea leaves from Eden Tea Company. Yes, it is written here 100% Kenyan tea, and a cup of very nice tea is drawn over there. So this is the tea leaves that you're going to be using, and of course you're going to be using sugar. This is not compulsory. I know some people do not take sugar because of medication issues and all that, so you can bypass this if you don't like sugar, but for my case I'll be putting just little sugar. Yes, and again we are going to be using ginger. This is ginger, natural from the farm, you can see. So we are going to be using that ginger, okay? And we shall be using this, how do you call it? Grater. So we shall be using grater in order to, yes, grate this, like that. Of course, we're going to be needing a sieve, and here it is, a teaspoon to measure the amount of sugar. I will need a jug. Yes, you'll see where I need it. And of course, we are going to need milk. And here is the milk. It's already boiling. This is the milk, fresh from the cow. This is cow milk. It's already boiling, and hot water. We are going to be needing hot water. So this is how you make Kenyan tea, in case you didn't know. Already the milk is boiling. So the next thing that you're going to do, I'm going to use this cup. I forgot to mention that we need a cup. So I'm going to be using this cup to measure the amount of water that I'm going to be adding there. That is half liter milk. So that is the first cup. I'm going to be putting 2.5 cups of water. Yes, and that is the other half. So the milk was already boiling, plus the water is already boiled, it's already hot. So now I've mixed them. The next thing that I need to do is now to put, or rather to add, the tea leaves. And as I've shown you, this is it. I need scissors in order to cut it and open. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be measuring the amount of tea leaves that I'm going to be putting. Oops, it's becoming messy now. So this is a teaspoon. You see how it's rising up? Yes, so I'm going to be putting oops, that is too much. You guys, the funny thing, I don't usually measure. I just use my eyes until my ancestors tell me it is enough, and I put that level. Half liter of milk, 2.5 cups of water, this cup, this size, and 1.5 teaspoons of tea leaves. Yes, so I'm gonna let it brew together. A friend of mine told me that we don't cook tea, but we brew tea. She makes a very good and sweet tea. So now it's already boiling. Let me use this sieve to just stir. Yes, the color is coming out well. So in case you didn't know how to make Kenyan tea, this is how you make it. Please comment down below. Let me know where you are watching me from. Let me know if you do have tea and how do you prepare it in your place. So while it's boiling now, it's time for me to create the ginger. I'm going to be using this. Okay. So it's of different sizes. This is the smallest, medium, and the big one. So I'm going to be using the medium one. So this one, I've already washed it with running water. I can even wash it again. I had already washed it. So I don't peel it because I've already washed it very thoroughly. Some people peel it. It's your choice. You can peel, you can fail to peel. For me, I think there's still some good nutrients in the covers. And for me, I actually feel the difference when I peel my ginger and when I don't peel, there is usually that difference. So without peeling, there is usually the good aroma that comes in the tea, and that's why I just wash thoroughly and I don't peel. So let's do this. Yes, it's happening, you guys. It's happening. It is happening. So I'm left with this. I might as well just put this cover over there inside. Yes, it's good. We are good to go. This is what is remaining. I'm gonna be using this for tomorrow's tea. And there we go. There we go. This is it. Okay. So the tea is actually almost ready. If you were not to be putting this, it would be ready. So what I do, I just reduce the heat to minimum, and then I add this. Another thing, if you're using ginger or if you want to add ginger to your tea, make sure that your water or rather your tea, everything is already boiled. Because if it is not yet boiled, it's going to mess your tea. It's going to like break, look as if it is fermented, and it's going to be of no use anymore. So make sure that they are already boiled before you add this one. So there we go. Again, I stir. Yes. And we are almost. In less than 10 minutes, everything is gonna be ready. At this point, we can add sugar. We add sugar at this very point, okay? And here is the sugar. I'm going to be putting 3 teaspoons of sugar. 1, 2, and 3. And then I stir again. So guys, this is it. If you're out there, you don't know how to make Kenyan good tea, this is how you do it. Very simple, with simple ingredients that you can get anywhere near your place, except for those living in countries that are not having Kenyan tea. But that is how simple you make Kenyan tea, you guys. The aroma is already coming, the ginger aroma, the ginger aroma is already coming. Woo. So guys, actually our tea is ready. It's time for me to switch, or rather to put off the gas. And there we go. Off, we put the gas. And yes, I was rinsing this one. I'm going to be using this one to put the tea, to sieve the tea, so that I transfer it to the flask. Oh, it's heavy. And there we go. Here we go. See, You guys look at the color, the aroma. Here is it, you guys. So I'm going to be transferring it to this thermos. Look at. So we still have more here. So this is the residue. This is the ginger, the tea leaves, everything is there. So let's add here. And there we go. This is our Kenyan tea is ready. It's ready to be served with the mandazi, with the bread, with chapati, with whatever, with the groundnuts. So let's have a taste. So nice. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, bye and see you on my next one.